Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're just going to see how to set up a male voice on your Google Gemini and how to choose the male voice for your Google Gemini assistant on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. So how do you change your Google Assistant or Gemini voice from female to male voice? So first of all, open your Google Gemini. So now it's just going to ask something like something like Apple.
Apple can refer to a few different things, most commonly. 1. Apple.
So now it's actually speaking in female voice. So click on your profile on the top. Then you just need to click on the setting option. After clicking on the setting option, you just need to scroll down or click on the second option called Gemini voice. Click this.
I'm ready to be your voice.
You can always change voices later. I'm ready.
If you're curious,
It's good to meet you. Give me a chance. Maybe I'm your style.
I'd be.
Choosing a voice is tricky.
Maybe I'm the voice.
I'm another voice in the mix. Ready to talk
You
whenever.
can find a 4 to 5 matches of different type of voices. You're just going to leave it.
Apple can refer to a few different things, most commonly. 1. Apple Inc.
You can see now the Gemini voice or Google Assistant voice has been changed to the female to male voice. This is how we just changed the Google Assistant or Gemini voice to female to male. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.